Hey guys, back with part 3 of my nail charm haul. Everything is from Temu, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm filling up this second organizer here, and we're going to completely fill it, which I'm super thrilled about. So first we're gonna start with these super cute sparkly spider charms. When I saw these, I had to have them. They're the perfect size, and you get a nice variety of colors, as you'll see. Super cute pastels, and I really love the black one. This is so satisfying. I'm so happy I finally filled both organizers. If you haven't seen the other two parts, you can go check those out on my channel as well if you're interested. Here we have some hearts. They're just like rainbow colors. As I'm struggling to open it, and excuse my short nails, I'm just like taking a break because if you saw my short from the other day, I tried to do a set with the Après Naturals, and just as I was sitting down to film the nail art, I was putting my phone into my little overhead filming thing and my nail snapped, so we just have bare nails now. And here we have a black mix pack of just random, all different kinds of cute charms. I really been liking black charms, and I definitely thought I needed more. It has a really nice selection in here, and this one I was excited about. It was like meant to be. It's like a little Sailor Moon wand, which I wasn't expecting. Very cute. You get a really good amount in here. And again, I'm pretty sure nothing in this video was over $2. Or I wouldn't have bought it. So what's new with you guys? What are you planning for the holidays? I'm really excited that it's going to be Christmas soon, and I'm really excited. I started coughing, so I had to pause it. I'm excited to do some really killer press-on sets in the very near future. And here we have a nice amount of mixed metal charms, which was my purpose of ordering all these things, because I realized I didn't have enough metal charms. God, I keep fucking up because I keep coughing. I don't know. But yeah, it's a nice mix of silver and gold charms. Really good amount. Really happy with that. Here we have a mixed bag of just silver charms. These are super cute. There's those rabbits that I really like. There's like a really cool brain in here. A devil face. Just a really nice mixture of like kind of more of a gothic style, which I didn't have much of at all. I usually like keep towards the more kawaii charms, but you know, it's time to branch out. So there's those. And just two more. This isn't a very long video, but you know, what are you gonna do? Another nice size silver mixed bag of charms. Really good amount. There's crosses in here, which I didn't have any of. Some doubles from the other pack, but also some different ones. It's like a really cool bone cross, a moth, an angel, skull with a rose. I don't know, I really love these. I can't wait to use them. And if you're still watching and you made it this far, why don't you leave me some skull emojis in the comments so I know you were here. That sounds like a good idea. This was my last bag of charms, and I was kind of slightly annoyed because they were bigger than I thought they were going to be. But, you know, if you do a really long set, I guess you could still make it work. This is definitely the biggest charm I personally have. But they're really cute silver butterflies. And you got a really nice amount. I guess it's not that big. I was just being dramatic. So we're gonna put those in. Had to move those so I would have one spot left. And the organizer is finally full, guys. I'm so thrilled. I don't have any more stuff I'm waiting on. This is literally my last charm order from Temu, at least for a while. Let's see how long that lasts. But here we go, the finished product. I'm super proud of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below because I definitely love talking to you guys in the comment section.